crowd. Yeah.
Yeah.
Branch.
Branch.
Come.
Branch, that's Yoruba English. Let me branch to the corner there and take some pepper soup.
Come. Come, right?
Yeah. It's what?
Come.
No, come is wa.
Wow.
Uh-huh.
Yawa, like abundant or
No, yeah, that is yeah.
Stop.
That is not yeah.
No, not stop.
branch by, stop by.
Yeah.
Let's use
Yeah.
branch for the benefit of the doubt. Branch, veer off. Veer
Yeah.
off.
Okay.
Veer off.
Yeah, I think that's a lot better. That branch,
Uh-huh. Branch is mubomuya.
yeah, that's more English, London English or something.
Yeah.
Branch.
Veer off. What?
Come.
Come.
Yeah.
Yeah, come. Come here.
Here, yes.
Come here.
Brown.
When you say what, you do your hand like this to the little child. What? And then the child will come. So that's what. Very constant. If you say what and the accent goes like that, it exists. It exists. What?
Wa. The down wa.
The down what? If I change the accent to go down,
Wa. Exists.
yeah.
Wa.
And when somebody is greeting you, how are you? Mowa.
I exist.
I exist. Mowa biewa. And when you say Mowa biewa, as comfortable as beans
Yes.
inside the pot, right? Mowa biewa. Or when they say ewa, they means beauty. And ewa is different from ewa.
Yeah, well,
Let's bring that down quick.
Beans.
Yeah. Ewa, beauty.
Wa.
Ewa, beans. In my high school, we used to call a girl Ewa, and that's because of beauty. We just switched the accent and call her beans instead of, you know. But she loved it. She didn't even mind because Ewa and Ewa, they sound the same, right? They sound the same. Will you like the name?
Beans.
Beans.
So what does shewa mean?
Shewa, Ade Shewa. Shewa means very pretty. But she's
Ewa.
the Ade that they don't call is the full name. In Benin, they will say Adesua. It means the same thing. That
Wow.
means princess, that is child. Yes.
Okay, what about the share when you asking someone how are you and an elderly person?
Oh, that's different. She Ewa.
Is for younger. But
She-
you cannot say show one.
Ewa. She Ewa. Is when they say Shewa, they took this one out, right? And then say Shewa. Shewa. You know. That's why I said when they speak Yoruba very fast, then some of the words are contracted and some are actually dropped. Just for simplicity. And for the street lingo and metropolitan way of saying Yoruba. Because you don't want to waste time. Hey, báwo ni ọ̀rẹ́? I said Showa. Showa. Forward. S-O-W-A. Right? But Showa should be broken down because She-O-Wa. You see that? To Showa. Is that clear? It's very, thanks for bringing that up because a lot of people will not understand that. So Ewa and Ewa, And ewa? Ewa is come.
Wait, when I'm greeting an elder,
When you are greeting an elder,
don't I have to put
she ewa.
share air?
She ewa instead of she ewa. She ewa. If it's a Londoner girl or boy and greeting an elder, they say, I feel it. They will say, leave her. She grew up in the West. So don't sweat it. Don't mess with that person. Right? Because some people say, oh no, adult. You are calling adults O. It's supposed to say for the adult, right? Chewa. And then if you see a well brought up child, the child will always say regardless of whether the person is old or young. You say and then you'll be surprised. This is my auntie, she's older than me. And she's saying as a sign of respect for you coming to the event. Right? You still give unless the parents come in and say, what is this kid doing here? Go pick up the chairs and go spread the chairs over there and then go pick up the drinks and then start delegating them to do things. And then now they will feel like, okay, we lost all this respect because mom is here now, right? But then the adults will be able to be the one to control things in that kind of situation. But the person that meets them first, that didn't know that where they are from or whatever, will still respect them. And then their mother will tell the sister and say, oh, these are your kids too. So, they should be respecting you. And then everything is balanced, right? We have to be able to solve problems with few words. And when you start using you don't disrespect anymore, right? Even if you're angry, you still use